Do you see how this creator has Comet Amsterdam to get my Google Maps list with 10 plus more incredible playgrounds in the city? This is an example of a ManyChat automation that allows this creator to send that Google Maps list to her community and give them the value they are searching. So many of us on Instagram are seeing comment this for that, whether it be a link or PDF or some sort of freebie. We have all seen this being done. And so many people are curious, what is this? How do I do it? What's the benefit? And is it going to really help me grow? Well, I recently interviewed this creator on our podcast, and she shared with us how ManyChat actually helped her grow over 100,000 followers in a year using automation in a really smart and strategic way. So what I want to do in today's video is, first of all, talk about ManyChat, screen share a tutorial so that you can actually leave today's video setting up your first automation using their free version, because what I want to see for you is growth, engagement, and this tutorial is going to help you do it. Now, before we get into the tutorial, I do just want to start off with a brief definition about ManyChat and talk about some key benefits and features that you could use as a creator. And then we're going to dive in to the screen share where we're going to set up your first automation. So definition, ManyChat is a marketing automation platform that helps businesses and creators connect with their audiences through chatbots and automated messaging. It works across channels like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and SMS, and it allows creators to automate conversations. So what does that mean? Someone DMs you on Instagram and you are able to immediately start this sort of chatbot conversation. Hi, how can I help you today? And set up different sort of scenarios where your follower can get their question answered right away in DM without you having to be the one to sit there and answer them, right? We see a lot of creators using this functionality to automate conversations and then give the person what they're looking for. So let's just say you're a travel influencer and people are always asking you about a specific guide or a specific something. You could automate that conversation so that you're not constantly copying and pasting in your DMs the same thing. This works really well if you get asked something all the time. Obviously, it's a big engagement tool because if you're telling your audience to comment X for Y, you're getting them to engage. So it really does a number on engagement. And oftentimes you'll see a lot of creators say things like, make sure to follow me so I can deliver this freebie to you. We are seeing big time audience increases using ManyChat to automate this process. Oftentimes we're seeing big audience growth because we see creators say things like, follow me in order to get this freebie. So people are clicking follow to get the freebie. And of course, drive sales. If you have affiliates, if you have, I don't know, a guide or a Christmas guide or a holiday guide that has a bunch of your favorites and you're stacking it with affiliate links, or maybe you're just sending a link to one of your favorite outfits or whatever it is that you want to promote, you're able to scale your affiliates through these automations. Or if you're not doing affiliate marketing and you're selling direct to your audience, a product or something, you're also able to send them that link right away in a very easy, scalable manner. When it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of creators just get stuck because they don't know how to promote their links, but using ManyChat automations. So if someone comments, toy truck, and you want to send them the link to the toy truck, they're now able to all get that link and purchase the toy truck that you are recommending to your audience. And this is obviously creating powerful monetary results for a lot of creators that are using affiliates within their automation. So I also want to share a few ideas and ways that our community is currently using ManyChat. So a lot of creators are obviously really interested in growth, and that's the number one reason they end up using ManyChat to do automations. But it's more than just growth, it's nurturing the new followers. So they're thinking of their followers in a very intentional way. They're like, I want every single person that hits follow to get an auto welcome message, or something of that nature. And they're really trying to build this human sort of connection using these automations to their people, and they want them to engage with them right away. A lot of people find that it's helped with their consistency efforts because they don't have to be up like 24/7 sending things, right? Like ManyChat is working for you even while you sleep and sending links on your behalf. And hopefully those links are converting into sales in some capacity for you. We're seeing creators really now get excited about growing their email list. I have a lot of creators on Substack. I have a lot of creators that are growing their email list. Right now, my Inner Circle community and I, we're doing a whole email list challenge. So when I start to think about emails, I think about, okay, how do we use ManyChat to help capture emails? And luckily, the tool has an email capture. So in order to get the freebie, for example, you have to put in your email. They let you do that directly within the platform. There are some features that you're going to see when I share my screen that are for the free user. And then there are features that are pro. So if you're somebody that is interested in dabbling into ManyChat Pro, we use ManyChat Pro. I have a affiliate code for you guys that's actually going to give you your first month of Pro free. So if that's something that you want to dabble in, I have included that link below so that you can try the Pro version for free for a month, test it out and see if it works for you for growth, sales, and engagement. ManyChat is known for its keyword triggers. So for example, you put shop to get this. You can do this inside of stories. You can do this inside of posts. Obviously, ManyChat also has some broadcast features that some creators like, where you can literally send a message to every single person that follows you, a huge broadcast capability. Do be careful though, because part of how ManyChat charges is based on the number of contacts you have. So if you're not planning to use the broadcast method, then you don't need to have all your contacts stored in your ManyChat. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the tutorial section, which Nicole from our team has filmed for you guys so you can set up your first automation. I hope that's what we're able to get done by the end of today's video. And then I'm going to jump back on and share some ideas, things that you can do and what we are doing, what the creators in our community are doing to help you use ManyChat to the best of your ability.
Okay, let's create your first automation inside ManyChat. I'm going to be using the free version, so everything I show you today, you can do without paying. Of course, if you want more advanced features, you can upgrade it later, but this is more than enough to get started. Once you're inside your ManyChat dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Automation. Here's where all your flows and automations will live. For today's video, we're going to set up your very first automation. So when somebody comments in a specific word on your post, they'll instantly get an automated DM. To get started, we're going to click on New Automation on the top right, and you're going to see a bunch of templates that ManyChat has for you. We're going to click on this one that says Auto DM Links from Comments. Here's where all your flows and automations will live. For today's video, we're going to set up your very first automation. So when somebody comments in a specific word on your post, they'll instantly get an automated DM. To get started, we're going to click on New Automation on the top right, and you're going to see a bunch of templates that ManyChat has for you. We're going to click on this one that says Auto DM Links from Comments. Once you click on the template, ManyChat will walk you through everything step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is choose where this automation will be triggered, either on any post, in a specific post, or the next post. With the free version, you can only select in a specific post, so that's the one I'm going to pick here as well. Next, I like to turn on the reply to comments because this allows you to instantly reply to anyone who comments the keyword and automatically direct them to your DMs. This is super helpful in case the message lands in their request folder. It gives them a clear heads up on where to find it. Then you'll set up your keyword. This is a word that people have to comment in order to receive your automated DM. So my tip here is don't make it too complicated to spell, but also avoid something too generic that people might accidentally comment without wanting the message. You want only the people who actually want the freebie or link to trigger the DM. That way it doesn't feel spammy for anybody else. I'm gonna do guide 25 just to make it more specific. The next step is setting up your opening DM. This part is optional. If you want to greet people first, you can customize the pre-written message that ManyChat provides. But if you prefer to go straight to your freebie or link, you can simply skip it by turning it off. Now for the main DM, this is where you actually deliver your resource. You can write a quick line telling them what they're getting and prompt them to click the button below to access it. So I'm gonna write, "Hi there, here's the free guide you requested to learn about the best spots in New York this winter." Next, you're gonna click this button, add a link. Here is where you're gonna add your resource, the one that you're gifting. I usually write something simple like get guide here. You can even put a little emoji. And then you're gonna add the link in the box below. Then you're gonna click save and then head to the top right corner to click go live. Okay? And that's it. Your automation is now live and ready to send DMs when somebody comments your chosen word. And just as a quick reminder, the left panel right here is where you'll make all your edits. If you click edit right here, And on the right side, it shows you a live preview of what the experience will look like on Instagram. When you go back to your automations, you can see your automation is live. What I always do is rename it so that I know that I'm gifting the New York City guide. And I also put the keyword that I'm using, just so I can keep track of everything and it looks organized. Whenever you want to stop this automation, you can click on it and head to the top right and click stop. Instead of deleting it, you can just pause it anytime.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial from Nicole. Like I said, funny enough, here on YouTube, we're always trying to get views on our YouTube. We have been using ManyChat to tell our audience, like, comment this and get the link to our YouTube video. It could be that simple, where you are driving views from your longer content and getting your Instagram followers to now watch your entire YouTube videos. You can create checklists. You can include links to PDFs or ebooks or Canva graphics that you've made. You can include links to like a secret video, Google Maps, how that creator was doing. She was doing like comment this for Google Maps. You can send it to a blog article that has a bunch of information. You can send a link to your Substack. As you can see, it's just such a great link generator. So many creators are sending their Amazon storefront links, or they're sending their Levanta links. We talked about Levanta in a few other videos because of those higher commissions. We're seeing a lot of creators send their Levanta link so that they're getting those high commissions when creators are purchasing. You can absolutely use this in a brand partnership. You can sell this as an add-on in your brand partnership. So if a brand is going to pay you for real and you want to do a sponsored ManyChat automation, you can also add that into your packages. And again, you could send the brand's link, you could send the brand's storefront, you can send a code, a coupon code, whatever. And it's a really nice way to track the effects that you are doing for this brand partner. If there's seasonal sales or exclusive deals, these are things that you guys can share again right away with your audience. So I hope that today's video has inspired you and gotten you guys ready to start your automation. When you're finished doing it, go ahead and jump back into my comments and say, Nina, I set up my first automation, and let me know how it works for you. If you've been able to see the growth that you're looking for, if you've been able to see some engagement, and again, hopefully sales. And I hope this tutorial is going to help you start that first automation and get you going. Make sure to like this video to let us know if you want more tutorials in the future, and I will see you guys in the next video.